the Cherry Bomb Alani Energy is all over your social media right now, then you're going to want to stick around and watch this episode, because I'm going to be creating 2 different versions of a dirty Alani, but with the Cherry Bomb Energy specifically, okay? I need you to stay tuned and keep up with me. In our first drink, we're going to incorporate the flavors of black cherry and coconut, and add in a little bit of green. And in the second version, we're going to incorporate the flavors of red velvet and white chocolate. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss this one or any other future drinks that we put on this channel. So if you have the ability to subscribe, go ahead and do that now. Entering ice and then flavors first allows for a colorful gradient of your flavors to be displayed for your customers. But if you're making it for yourself, feel free to do what you like. Now for the cold foam creation, if you're doing this on a commercial level, what we like to implement is frothing your half and half first, allowing it to become a thicker consistency, and then incorporating your flavor, making it a personalized flavored creamer. In the second one, I'm going to do white chocolate flavors and red velvet cake from Da Vinci. These 2 flavors mix together so well, but you don't want to overdo it or to be too chocolatey. Now, I don't know why, but when you add a flavored sauce to your ice and then top it off with a carbonated drink, it gets foamy like this, so you gotta just give it a second. I might add how beautiful this thing turned out, but when you incorporate a white chocolate cold foam, you're dabbling into the scale of a 9 out of 10 drink. Just make sure not to add too much of that white chocolate, or it will be way too chocolatey. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more drinks like this. I'm gonna see you on the next one, okay? I'm out.